Hola, hola, day 64 it is, and I am ready 20 minutes later than I thought I would be out of the house, but that's just what happens, and when you actually know you still can make it on time somehow to the next city. So it's gonna be, I think, 32 mile-ish, 31, and we'll see how it goes. Maybe one hill in between, or maybe I'm sure more, but one of a bigger one, we'll see. And Moises is already waiting for me to give him the key. Yeah, yesterday I locked myself out, and yeah, he helped me. But anyways, yeah, I slept well. Again, not enough, but I think it's a nice day, not too hot, and just perfect for 30 miles of running. Let's do it. So yeah, this is the road we're gonna take all the way to Futrono. Futrono. Beautiful morning. Sun is rising, and feeling really good. Let's go. A beautiful morning to run on this road. I think pretty much straight for the next 26 miles. It's beautiful. It's a bit of a net gain today, but yeah, no surprise after yesterday. So it's a good run. I like it. Beautiful. Well, some cyclists just yelled "Passal Grumpy." I don't know what that means. But yeah, he was a bit, I think, telling me, alerting me. Like, I don't know. Oh, I should have asked. Should have stopped. Sometimes, situations just go by too fast, and you don't really react in the way you should. But that's also what you learn. Of course, you learn that at any time. But just gonna be careful and see what's going on. So the cyclist, I guess, I don't know, maybe he didn't want to warn me, something just asked me, but so apparently he was following me now, and yeah, he just talked to me, and there's got to be a place, a glamping place up here, so I'm gonna stop there, have a coffee with him, but I definitely want to go running because I feel really good, and honestly I wouldn't stop just now because sometimes it's difficult to start again. My legs feel really good right now, and sometimes they feel heavy when you start again. But yeah, it's good to socialize too, so let's do that. Let me come over. Ah, that's nice, thank you. Hola Chile, ole. Thank you very much. Ah, gracias. Hola.
Oh, felicidades, felicidades, un honor, adelante,
Okay.
adelante.
So that was beautiful. So I guess it's about 12 miles that I only ran so far. So Futrono, 31 kilometers it says here. Yeah, Carlos has this glamping place. And it's beautiful. And there was a couple from England, and I really enjoyed talking to them. And yeah, dogs and cats and chicken, the whole thing. Yeah, so it's nice. But now I need to get my legs warm again. But yeah, they will be soon. So let us enjoy this beautiful day. That's Linda and John. That's nice. Oh, cycling, it goes faster. Woo. So yeah, we're on mile 16. I think I'm gonna take a break. About 4 to 5 miles. I need to eat. And then we go for 10. A nice one. It's a beautiful run today. Weather-wise, road condition. I feel pretty good. It's nice. Yeah, it's also very beautiful with the colors to look around. Warm. So that's nice. So this is an absolutely beautiful morning run, and I've 20 miles done. So this is a nice bus station for a short stop here. I have some watermelon from Moises, still from yesterday. He gave me so much. That is the perfect breakfast. Whew. So here we go. Oh, there is a bench. There's a bench. Look at this. Where's the break? Here. Whew. Oh, watermelon. I'm so thirsty. Yeah, this is really nice. Whew. Ay. It's a beautiful run, absolutely beautiful. I don't know, it's a good day again. Of course, many good days, but really good day. Yeah. Salida. Very, very good. I think watermelon is one of my favorite fruits. For a runner, it's perfect fruit anyways. Hydrates you well. Okay, 2 minutes, but then I want to go because yeah, only a bit more than 10 to go, and I'm really excited about Futrono. Yeah, on the field there's the horse running. Well, beautiful. I guess I only see this one horse. Just these funny birds with the yellow heads and the long beaks. So I don't know what they are. That's a large field. It's nice. And it plays with me. It's a funny one. Runs along and then stares at me. Yeah, you are really beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Bye bye. Hasta luego. Cabal. I don't know. Now you come and run again with me. You're funny. I like funny animals. Just runs alongside me. Yeah, truly beautiful. You have a nice field here to run, huh? Not or should I walk? Well, chocolates. Hola, buen día. Well, I guess it's closed, so I can just go on. Mile 23, doing well. Going down, 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 new beautiful view to the Andes. Oh, I'm glad I'm taking a ride sometime after Futrono and don't have to go over them again. Yeah, it's a bit surprising of how much I now run down, because I think there was a bit of a neck gain, like at the first part of the run, but was it so much? I don't know. So yeah, I should better focus on the road instead of thinking, talking. But yeah, about 7-8 miles to go, and then a lot of stuff of work waiting for me. Wow, this view is spectacular again. I don't know if you can see the mountains. Oh. So 7 kilometers to go. 27 miles. Yeah, a bit more than 4 miles. And yeah, we're now going uphill for a bit, I have a feeling. And it's nice. It was a very, very, very nice run until now. And it's good. Change of pace for my legs. Doing something different. Let us go to Futrono. Yeah, it's so beautiful here. So I'm not gonna take a left to Futrono, about 3 miles to the left. And I guess tomorrow I have to come back here and take that right to the other side of the lake. Oh, but I'm glad I have a place to sleep. And, yeah, it's gonna be nice. Let's go and see. Well, hola, hola. I have arrived in Futrono it is, and yeah, this is a beautiful house that I can stay with Maria and her son, so this is really cool. I love that. Really beautiful. So I'm not gonna show it all to you because it's her privacy, but this is the house and I love it. So yeah, let us go, and I'll do the finish upstairs. Only 2 floors.